Nice video. Very nice video, guys. Look at that.
I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I still wanna close to you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to this channel. This is our canteen, guys, to offer you. They are using hand tractor, kuliglig in Tagalog, Philippines. Look at that, guys. That's an old model here in the Philippines, in the rice field farm equipment. Turning. Look at that, turning, guys. Nice video. Very nice video, guys. Look at that. Woo. Good morning to all. Shout out to all the subscribers. If you are new to this content, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.